How to delete VK ID account on VK app on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and once you're here click these 3 points and then click edit profile and then scroll down until you find security and scroll down again, and here we'll find the delete VK ID account. Just click on it and click delete account, and that's how you can delete your VK ID account. And that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.